Good morning, traders. Welcome back for another live trading. You can see we are already into a position 125 quantity in 38,700 put. We got at the average price of 185, and there's one more position which I've got, which 100 quantity, which is like at 254. When the day low is getting broken, I think that will get activated. Let's see. Currently it is still going up, down, up, down. We were just looking for a retracement trade here. The market is definitely showing a downside. Bank Nifty has shown already the weakness. It's below yesterday's low. It's trading below yesterday's low. Today it's going to be really interesting in terms of how the market is going to take it forward from here, because market has already shown the weakness. Generally, very rarely these kind of weakness is seen in the last 6-7 days. Now it's shown weakness, and we have to see how the market is getting sustained below this particular low, because it's the first time a low is being taken up. This is the first time the low is being taken up. Before this, there was no low which was taken up. So we're just confident about that particular thing. So just not adding any more positions at this level now. We'll be taking more positions only when the day low is being crossed. I've got like 100 position which is already positioned at that level at 255. Let's see how the market is reacting. We'll keep you posted when the market has started moving in our direction. Welcome back, traders. You can see the market has gone a little bit deep retracement, and we're still in loss and still holding the position, because your major time frame is already broken, and we're just trying to hold on to the trade. Let's see what is the outcome. I'm still within my money management, and I can take a 75 point stop loss on this particular order, which is roughly about, say, 10,000 rupees is what my stop loss is. I'm counting. Let's see how it is performing. If things are not working, then I'll square it off, and then I will try to enter into a new trade. As of now, things are looking good. Let's see how it's working out. And I'll keep you posted if there is any movement on the downside. I'll keep you updated. Yeah. Welcome back, traders. You can see there is some momentum for the downside. See, this was the retracement level which we were just expecting to market to go, but market went beyond a little bit. You can always know, Bank Nifty is always little too much in terms of movements. So it went below this point, which was not expected. And, it's come back down here now. Since it's an expiry day, we cannot expect market to do a complete downfall. In case if the market is going to be a little sideways till 11:30, 12, and then after 12, 12:30, if the market is going to break down, then we can see a good momentum for the whichever side it's going to break. So I've kept my stop loss just above this level in any case if there is any extravagant movement into it, and I've added some positions below this level in case if there is any movement for the downside as well. And so basically what market does is, you can understand, market is creating positions, and it's creating a base so that it can move against that, in the sense it has already created a base for the buyers here. So the buyers have activated in this position the minute, so their stop losses will be kept below this level, and it has activated some sellers in this position, and their stop losses is above this level. So what it does is, it just creates that kind of situation, so that their stop losses are above and below all these levels, and market tends to move that way. So clearly shows that market is not in any mood to go down right now. It's going to be a sideways to consolidation, and hopefully I don't want to lose much in terms of my points, so that I just kept it just above this level, maybe 3 or 4 points above this level, because the candle strength for a 3 minute is not so good for me. I just wanted an engulfing candle or a pin bar at this level. It didn't happen. Or for a 5 minute, I was expecting a full engulfing, but it also didn't happen. So just thought I'll just be on a safer side and keep the stop loss here. Because in case if there is no, if the candlestick formation is the way that I'm expecting, then I wouldn't have kept my stop loss. I would have kept it a little loose. Uh, you know, I would have had a little confidence in holding on to the trade. Right now, the retracement is not happening a little faster as expected. But still, the overall sentiment is currently on the downside. The market is biased for the negative side. Nifty is also giving up its gain, and any further movements we will keep you posted. Currently, we are in 1,600, 1,700, and 1,500 rupees negative. So keep you posted for this. Welcome back, traders. Now we can see there's a downward momentum here showing the market is trying to break the today's low, and we are currently in 3,500 rupees profit. You can see a good downward momentum building up here. You can see there's a 5-minute chart. It's really a good downside momentum. If this level breaks, then this consolidation, meaning the break and then sustaining is confirmed. So there will be people interested to try to break on this level and sustain and try to hold the position. And probably I'll be planning to exit the trade in case if I'm able to see a good momentum below this level, which is 38,300 levels. Let's see, 38,300 is the level which I'm looking at, because that's the next swing. Exactly at this position, because you can see this is where the market took 3 times it took support from this level. So these are the levels which I'll be looking into it, which is currently about 200 points from now. There was one interesting fact, traders, you can see there was a trend line break. Just put my trend line on a 30 minutes time frame. You can see there's a break of trend line at this particular level, because every time when this market was reaching this trend line, you can see a good buying happening, and then here there was a good buying happening, then here there was a good buying happening, and then at this point also you had a very good buying happening. Now you can see the trend line is broken and the trend line is getting rechecked at this particular point. So it's definitely good for the market that it's kind of retracing and correcting itself, which is very good. Hopefully, if the market is getting corrected reasonably well, then it's really healthy for the market. It's not that the market should not retrace. We are thinking for a downside correction. The market has to retrace for its healthy moment upside. So I'll keep you posted in case if there is anything. I think we have already added some more positions to it. I think still not done. Yeah, we are already in 5,000. The problem with 5 paisa is we often have to do a refresh. Yeah, you can see it's already taken. We're currently in 3,000 rupees profit with 225 quantity. The market is we've already taken the other positions too. Let's see how it is working. We'll keep you posted once we have momentum in our side again. Welcome back, traders. We had to square off this particular trade at 258, and you can see the market started reversing back. So we had to square off this at this level when it was coming back. So we were just planning to take profit at this level. Market did not, and then we trailed the stop loss. We had to take the profit at this particular level. So the trailing stop loss got hit, and then the profit. At one time, it was close to 20,000. So we were just like planning to take, at this level, which I was like telling. So market, we had like close to 20,000 rupees profit with a very minimal quantity of 225, not even 10 lot. It's only 9 lots we traded. Still like it's all bound to happen, like particularly when doing options, and when Nifty is trading at higher points and Bank Nifty is trading at lower points, and all these things are going to be happening. So we have to be mentally prepared for these kind of moments. But in case if Nifty and Bank Nifty are together below yesterday's low, then the scenario changes in a complete different way, because it's definitely going to make a good down run after breaking this level. So we were just like a little disappointed with the way that we handled the trade, but we were okay with it. Still a decent profit for the money invested. So let's see, and if there is any new trade opportunities we are finding, we'll definitely keep you posted. So currently, I've also added a call position here, in the sense like just waiting. Like I don't know how the call is going to take its way, because market slightly moved upside, but still it's not able to make an inside, meaning inside the range of yesterday. Still got rejected. You can just see this is a spot chart. Market broke down, and then this is kind of rechecking this particular point. It looks like a rechecking point for us, but generally what happens is the rechecking is like too big, so that's why we have to cut down our profit at that level. Let's see how things are working. I'm just like trying to find, in case if markets, let's have a trend line like this, and today we cannot expect huge profits. End of the day, like it's an expiry trade, so we have to be very cautious in terms of our profit margins. Just see, it's not actually a proper trend, but still like it's developing a small trend. When the market reached here, it had a good rejection. Let's see, at the same level the market is showing a pin bar rejection, and that is exactly coinciding with the swing low position. So this can be considered as a valid point, but still I'll be only interested if this candle's low is taken, because that's how you trade the pin bar. I generally trade the pin bar looking on the left side. If that is at the key level, yes, I do trade, but I have a confirmation trade only below the previous candle, which is supposed to be a green candle. Only below this. If market trades below this level, I'll definitely take a trade for the downside. Let's see how it is working, and I'll keep you posted if there is anything in progress. As of now, I'm happy for the trade. Like target is roughly about 15,000 rupees every day for the kind of volume that what we trade. An average traded volume is 200 to 250. If that being the case, the average expected profit margins that we keep is like close to 10 to 15k. We're close to 10k, so happy for it. I'll keep you posted if there is any trade happening. Welcome back, traders. So hopefully, we had one more entry. It's a very quick scalping, and exactly I'll tell you where exactly we took the trade. Sorry, we just maybe close too early. I feel like we decided to scalp quickly and get out of the trade. So our entry exactly was at this particular level, and our exit was at this level. So it was not even a minute trade. We just exited very quickly. So as of now, we don't have any plans to trade this market now. Let's see, that's all for the trade for today. As expected, market has closed on. It's broken one swing low position, which is very good for the market. And if things are working good, then we'll see if tomorrow how the market is opening, tomorrow being Friday, a new contract, and see how the market is going to work from that particular level. And thank you very much for watching our video, and please do share and subscribe our channel. Please support us, and happy trading days ahead. Have a wonderful evening.